Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by pruning what the algorithm already thinks you like. Open Shorts, find the worst videos, and immediately tap the three-dot menu to select Not Interested. This signals the system fast. Once done, pause or hide channels that repeatedly push the wrong content, because sustained behavior matters more than a single click. Make sure to clear Shorts watch history if you've binged irrelevant clips. This removes noisy data and resets the baseline the recommender uses. After cleaning, you must feed the algorithm positive examples. Intentionally watch 10 to 20 shorts of the style you want. Full views and replays send strong signals. Then, like or comment on those you genuinely enjoy and subscribe to creators who consistently post that type of content. Engagement weights recommendations. Also, search specific keywords and watch a few longer videos on the same topics, because cross-format behavior helps the system generalize what you prefer. Finish by locking in the changes and knowing what to do if the feed drifts. Continue intentional signaling, watch, like, and subscribe once weekly for 2 to 4 weeks so preferences stabilize. If irrelevant shorts persist, clear the app cache or sign out and sign back in to force a refresh. That often resolves stale model state. Finally, consider using a second account for a different niche. Switching profiles beats retraining a single, conflicted recommendation history.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.